Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic we are here about to take is ICSE course standard 9th lesson number 1, that is rational and irrational numbers, and this is my first video. और ये जो वीडियो है वो दूसरे स्टैंडर्ड्स के लिए और दूसरे कोर्स के लिए भी एप्लीकेबल है, जिसमें रेशनल नंबर और इरेशनल नंबर चैप्टर होगा उसमें। तो ये पहले समझ लेते हैं रेशनल नंबर और इरेशनल नंबर किसे कहते हैं। So first we will discuss about rational number. A number is called rational number when it is in the form of P upon Q. That is, P denotes numerator and Q denotes denominator, where Q does not equals to 0. That means Q के जगह पे कभी भी 0 नहीं होना चाहिए, तो वो क्या बोलेंगे, रेशनल नंबर. So basically, what is a rational number? Any number or any integer which is expressible in P upon Q form. It is called rational number, and also Q does not belongs to 0. मतलब Q की जगह पे कभी भी 0 होना नहीं चाहिए. Due to mathematic rules, when a denominator is 0, it is not known as a integer or a rational number. So a rational number is in the form of P and Q. Now let's see about irrational number. So what is irrational number? Any number when it is expressed in decimal form any number which is expressed in decimal form is either non-terminating or non-repeating. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर हम सपोज करते हैं, आई एम राइटिंग 0.21, then 221, then 221. This goes on increasing. It's not like this is directly divisible, and this is the caution here, is goes on increasing and increasing. So this is called non-terminating or non-repeating decimal. So this type of integer is known as irrational numbers. Also, irrational numbers includes all the roots which are included, like root 2, root 7. Root 4 is not a rational number because the square root of 4 is 2, and that is in P upon Q form, so it is a rational number. So this is not an irrational number, so this will be not considered as irrational number. Any number with root whose square root does not come in the form of P and Q is known as irrational number, that is non-terminating or non-repeating. Root 3 again, then root let's say 8. Root 8 will be 2, root 2 again, root 2 here is mentioned, so it is non terminating and non repeating. Okay, so the topic I am here about to take is rationalize the denominator. That is the last exercise, exercise 1D. This is the most important exercise in the whole chapter, so I am here about to take this. So let's see the first question. 2 upon root 6. So we have to rationalize this fraction with the denominator. So basically, how here it is solved, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the denominator given here. So the sum will be solved as 2 upon root 6 multiplied by again root 6 and again root 6. The one जो भी इधर जो डिनोमिनेटर में दिया है वो हमें न्यूमरेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है और डिनोमिनेटर से भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. The sum will be solved as 2 into root 6 that will give 2 root 6. Then root 6 into root 6, रूट में है वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो आएगा root 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. 2 cut and 2 threes are 6. The final answer would be root 6 upon 3. So डिनोमिनेटर में से रूट हट गया तो अपना ये आएगा फाइनल आंसर. तो लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट टिपिकल सम. So I have written here question number 3. We have to solve this by rationalizing the denominator. So here you can see here are two numbers. In the previous sum there was only one number in denominator. Here are two numbers, so how will it be solved? So again we have to write it 1 upon 3 plus root 5. So basically here the denominator is 3 plus root 5. So again we have to multiply numerator and denominator by, here it is 3 plus root 5, so we have to write 3 minus root 5. Again I am repeating, डिनोमिनेटर से और न्यूमेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 माइनस रूट 5. वाई, इधर जो भी मिडिल में साइन में होगा उसका अपोजिट साइन हमें इधर मल्टीप्लाई करना रहेगा. तो आई विल रब दिस क्विक. So I will write here multiply by 3 minus root 5, again 3 माइनस रूट 5. जो भी डिनोमीटर के अंदर साइन होगी अगर पॉजिटिव होगी तो वो नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी, एंड इट इज नेगेटिव it will be converted into positive. Here in this case it is positive, so we'll write negative sign. Again we have to multiply here. 1 इधर 1 दिया है तो एज इट इज रहेगा क्योंकि एनी नंबर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज ऑलवेज 1. तो 3 माइनस रूट 5 अपॉन 3 टाइम्स 3, ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा 3 और 3. ये आइडेंटिटी एप्लीकेबल होती है a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस बी. अगर मैंने इसके रिलेटेड भी एक वीडियो अपलोड किया है, आप लिंक के अंदर देख सकते हो और आप देख सकते हो इधर भी. तो ये मेक श्योर चेक करना, ये वाली आइडेंटिटी ये है लेसन नंबर 3 में. तो ये हो गया a प्लस बी एंड a माइनस बी. तो a प्लस बी और a माइनस बी का ओपन होता है a स्क्वायर minus b square. In this case a square a is 3, then a square that is 3 square is 9 minus root 5 into root 5 that is b square. So we'll write here root 5 square. This will get converted into square and root will be cancelled, so here only 5. So the final answer would be 3 root 5 upon 9 minus 5, 4. So this is our final answer. So the next sum is question number 8. Here is the typical one. So we'll write again multiplying numerator and denominator with, here is plus, so we'll write multiplication 3 minus 2 root 2. So here we will write again question 3 minus 2 root 2 the song 2 root 2 2 root 2. Again here numerator denominator 3 plus 2 root 2 multiply by, we have to multiply by this, so here 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. In the previous sum there is only here 1, so we'll write directly this. In this case here is 3 minus 2 root 2, so we will write like differently. We have to write, see this, these are two brackets, so we'll write the first term, the first bracket of the first term 3 and whole second bracket, that is 3 minus 2 root 2. Then the second number we will write here first bracket second number 2 root 2, then again whole second bracket, that is 3 minus 2 root 2 whole upon, see here again a minus a plus b and a minus b, so we'll write a square minus b square. So a square is 9, 3 square 9. Now here is the thing, 2 root 2 square. See here it is not in root, so we'll make it square, that is 4, and here it is in root, then square and root will be cancelled. So 4 times 2 minus 8, 9 minus 8. Here it will be here by opening the bracket it will be 3 times 3 9 minus 3 2's are 6 root 2 minus 2 3's are again 6 root 2 minus minus will get plus 2 times 2, it is like this, 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, that is square, that is 8. We'll write directly here 8 upon 1. We will solve this and we will get 9 minus minus will get plus, so 6 root 2 and 6 root 2. See here root 2 and root 2 are same, like it is like in variable. If 6x plus 6x is given, then only we can plus. If 6x and 6y is given, then we cannot add this. So it is like here 6 root 2 and 6 root 2 minus minus plus, so 9. So we'll write 9 minus 12 root 2 plus 8. 8 and 9 will be added, so we'll get 17 minus 12 root 2 will be our final answer. So this is the basic sums. You have to calculate till question number 9. It is your work to do. So ये वीडियो इधर तक रखते हैं, तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.